We will guide you through how to use green screen in Camtasia. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, make sure that Camtasia is already installed on your device before starting this tutorial. Double-click Camtasia to open the program. Click New Project to create a new project. Next, click the Media Bin menu. Then click the Import Media button to add files to your project. Select the green screen video that you want to use for this example. Click the Open button to continue importing the selected file. After the file is imported, it will appear in the Media Bin and will be ready for editing. Drag and drop the video onto track 1 to begin the editing process. Next, click the Play button to preview the video and confirm that the green screen appears correctly. After that, move the timeline back to the beginning so you can start applying the effect from the first frame. Then, click the Visual Effects menu on the left side of the interface. Scroll down to access the available effects in the Visual Effects menu. Select the Remove a Color option from the list. Drag and drop the Remove a Color effect onto the video in the track section. This time, the green screen will be removed automatically before using the Pick Color tool. If it is not removed, click the drop-down icon next to Color to reveal additional options. Then, select the Pick Color tool. If the green screen has not been removed, simply click the green background to sample its color. In this example, there is still a green outline around the object after the initial removal. Adjust the tolerance setting, and for this example, set it to 73% to remove the remaining green edges. Notice that the green outline around the object has now been removed, leaving a cleaner result. Click the Play button to preview the result and make sure the background has been removed correctly.